And so it begins. The KRC-20 launch countdown begins. And I think Nacho and Kasper will create Millionaires, guys. Because today, in about 30 minutes, the KRC-20 relaunch will happen. And it's a really bullish fundamental news day for Caspa because the KRC-20 will bring a lot of adoption to the Caspa chain, and that is really, really, really bullish for Caspa, guys. I know this day is about meme tokens, Nacho and Kasper, for example, but in the end, KRC-20 is way more than meme tokens. And I will talk about that in one of the coming videos. And today we're talking about memes because, yeah, everyone likes memes. If you want to mint meme tokens, I'm going to mint Nacho and Kasper because I think those two are the best out there because they are both fair launched. They have the great community and they have a great, it looks great, you know. Those are nice meme tokens. I'm expecting to do that. They do really well in the bull run. In the end, those tokens are high risk, guys. So make sure your main portfolio is fundamentally in a good place. So stack your Caspa first before you buy any memes at all. That's just my opinion, of course. And Cashplex, the KRC-20, will go live at 12 p.m. UTC. And you can start minting Nacho at 12 p.m. UTC as well. Kasper is a little bit later. You can start minting Kasper at 3 p.m. UTC. So make sure you are aware of that and make sure you check the right time zone for your current location. That is an important thing as well. So if you want to mint one of those tokens, make sure you have a wallet in place. For example, the Caspa wallet. You can download the Chrome extension for it. It's free. Set up a wallet, send some Caspa through that wallet, and you can start minting. You only need to know the ticker symbols of, for example, Nacho and Kasper. And in this case, Nacho is the ticker for Nacho the cat, and Kasper is the ticker for Kasper. So you need to type that in and you can start minting. So if you have any questions about that, just comment down below in the comment section and I'm trying to help you out, of course. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, as said before, I think the KRC-20 is really bullish for Caspa. But that's again for another video because I think people are forgetting some certain things about this protocol because it will bring an insane amount of adoption to Caspa. That's what I believe. And that kind of adoption we need for Caspa to go to $1 or $3 or even $5 in 2025. And yeah, I'm really enthusiastic about that. So I will talk about that in the next video. So let's do some short market update as well. Caspa is trading at spot 21. We are up 18% over the week and we're trading around 18 cents. It's probably all have to do with the KRC-20 launch. People are hyped. We get more hype around Caspa, so people are buying Caspa, of course. And if we take a look at the cash chart, you know, the interesting thing about it is that we are just like 15% away from all-time high, and that is pretty insane. And if you compare that, for example, with Bitcoin, I mean, Bitcoin is the king of all. It's away over 20%, guys. So that's pretty insane, actually. I really like that. If we take a look at the adaptive power law for Caspa, then you can see that we are still trading below the fair value price, and the fair value price is basically the power law price, and that is around 28 cents. So based on the power law for Caspa, risk to reward, this is still a great buy around 18 cents because you're buying one Caspa for only 18 cents and basically it should be worth around on average 28 cents right now. So risk to reward, it's still a good time to buy right now. I think around 14 cents was the bottom for this Caspa cycle after the last all-time high, the correction, and I think we go to trade up right now. And it wouldn't surprise me at all if we're going to see in the coming weeks and months that the price will be around 50 cents. It wouldn't surprise me at all. So I'm really curious what is going to happen with the Caspa price in the coming months. if we take a look at the support and resistance levels or zones for Caspa, then we can see that we nicely flipped. Let me zoom in for you guys. Wait a sec. Then we can see that Caspa flipped the support zone, the resistance level around 17.2 cents into a support zone, and now we're trading at 18 cents. If the KRC-20 launch will be a success, because that is the big question, of course. We don't know. Maybe it's going down in the next 2 hours. That's the big question. I think we can see higher prices in the coming days. I believe we can even see a retest of the all-time high levels. But if there's going something wrong with KRC-20, I think we will go down. I think we will lose this support zone, and we're probably going to trade back to around 15 cents or even the 14 cents area. Nonetheless, in the end, it doesn't matter because they will fix it. And again, it's just KRC-20 in the sense of it has basically nothing to do directly with the Caspa chain. So if KRC-20 will fail, it's not because of the Caspa chain. So that is an important thing to know. But just don't let us to be too bearish, because I'm going to assume that the KRC-20 launch will be a success. I mean, they stress tested it for over 2 months, so I'm sure they tested it good enough right now. So let's see what's going to happen, guys. But again, a retest of all-time high, I think it's possible in the coming days and weeks. And it would be really nice to see if we get a new all-time high and go in discovery mode. But let's see what's going to happen, guys. And of course, Bitcoin will influence this as well. So let's see what's going to happen. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're going to get great rewards from the Nacho, the cat, and Kasper, the ghost of Caspa. But make sure you pack your Caspa, Bitcoin bag, and so on first. Make sure that you build a fundamental good portfolio. If you want to join my private community, check out my Discord, my Patreon in the comment down below or in the description below. If you have any questions, just drop a comment down in the comment section. Again, I wish you a great day, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Crypto T out.